is Baikan Arch, the explorer of outdoor living life. Focuses on building movable, transparent PC Star House. The room can be used in hotels, restaurants, outdoor glamping, etc. because of its high value and good viewing atmosphere at night. The Star Room is also a hotspot, which can easily become a topic and flow point of the project site. Because of its high value and good viewing atmosphere at night. It also belongs to the light investment, fast return of cultural tourism projects. Our PC materials have properties such as heat resistance, UV resistance, and strong impact resistance. Ours company has an industry-leading day-end research team, can assist customers in the rapid implementation of projects.